Let's play Joy to the World. Now let's check out the playing pattern for this song. The playing pattern for full bar is gonna be a both, right, right, right. For half bar is gonna be a both, right. Now let's play verse 1 slowly, ready, G chord, go. Joy to the world, the half about D. Lord is half about G. Come, let half about C. Earth, read half about D. C, her, half one about G. King, let one about G. Every heart, read one about G. Pair his room and one about G. Heaven and nature sing and one about D. Heaven and nature sing and half about G. Heaven and half about C. Heaven and half about D. Nature half about G. Sing. Now let's play verse 1. Smoothly, ready, and we go. G,
joy to the world.
half about D, half about G, half about C, half about D, and G. 3 times of G.
Let
G,
every heart
still G,
prepare him room.
still
And
G,
heaven and nature sing.
down to D.
And heaven and nature sing.
Half about coming up.
And
Half about G, half about C, half about D, half about G. Hey there, loving this tutorial? Then you've got to check out my Christmas song ebook. It's packed with 32 holiday tunes, complete with chords, chord charts, song lyrics, and playing patterns to make your life easy. Download instantly so you can bring it to your parties, jam with your friends, or just add some Christmas vibes to your home. Grab your copy now in the description link below. Now let's play verse 2. Slowly, G chord, go. Joy to the earth, the half about D. Savior, half about G. Reigns, let half about C. Man, they are half about D. Songs, one about G. Employ, while one about G. Fields and floods, rocks one about G. Hills and plains, read one about G. Repeat the sounding joy, read one about D. Repeat the sounding joy, half about G. Repeat, half about G. Repeat the half about D. Sounding, half about G. Joy. Now let's play verse 2. Smoothly, ready, and we go.
Joy
G,
to the earth.
and the half about D, half about G, half about C, half about D, back to G. 3 times G. G.
Fields and floods.
And G again.
Hills and plains.
One more
Repeat
G.
the sounding joy.
And then we go to
Repeat
D.
the sounding joy.
Half about coming up, half about G, half about C,
Repeat
half about D,
the
half about G.
sounding joy.
Now let's play the 2 verses smoothly, ready, and we go. G,
Joy to the world.
half about
the
D,
Lord
half
is
about G,
come.
half about C,
Let
half about
earth
D, back to G. 3 times G,
Let
G,
every heart
and G.
prepare him room.
Still
And
G.
heaven and nature sing.
Down to
and
D.
heaven and nature sing.
Half about coming up, half
And
about G, half about
heaven
C, half
and
about D,
nature
back to G.
sing.
Verse 2, G.
Joy to the earth.
Half about
the
of D, half
Savior
about G,
reigns.
half about
Let
C, half about D, half
songs
about G.
employ.
3 times G,
While
G,
fields and floods,
And
rock
G.
hills and plains.
And
Repeat
G.
the sounding joy.
Down to
Repeat
D.
the sounding joy.
Half about coming up, half about G,
Repeat,
half about C,
repeat
half about
the
D, half
sounding
about G,
joy.
and on G. Hey there, thanks for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory, and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.